finish at 9:45.
Okay. Okay, very good. So welcome guys. Today we're going to talk about the uses of the plants. As you can see, we are going to learn how people use plants as food and how people use plants as medicine and how people use the plants for many other things. For example, for clothing and for food and everything like that. So we are going ahead in page number 82 of your book, if you have it. We're going to learn that people use more food that for other purpose. For example, breakfast cereal is made of grain, or the seeds for certain cereals. If you have a sandwich, for example, guys, for lunch, you are eating grain, and grain are plants. And the bread in the sandwich is made by grinding the seeds of a wheat into flour. So, who knows how they make the bread? ¿Quién sabe cómo hacen el pan? With flour.
Se hace con trigo.
Yes, with wheat. We have to say wheat.
Se hace con trigo y lo amasan, después lo meten a un horno,
Very good.
y después se convierte en pan.
Very good, María Fernando. El trigo. And the trigo, that means that wheat, what is it? Is an animal or is a plant?
Planta.
It is a plant. So,
Plant.
the bread is made of plants. It's not like a salad, but it's made of bread. Now, what do we put inside the sandwich? What do we put inside? We put ham, cheese, and what else?
Lettuce.
Lettuce, very good. What else? And lettuce is a plant, right?
Yeah.
Yes. We put tomato.
Lemon is
Very good. So, for example, I like that sometimes I put onion on the sandwich. I like to put mustache. I like many things. So, when we are eating, many of the food that we eat are plants. Okay? Many of the food that we eat are plants. So, does your sandwich have lettuce and tomato on it? Then you are also eating a plant leaf and a fruit. And it is in the sandwich is seasoned like with mustard, and you are eating something made from seed. You know what mustard is? Mostaza. And that is made of plants. Do you know that? Mustard is made of plants. So people eat many different plants of many different plants. For example, the beans, frijoles, lentils, corn, rice. For example, others are seeds like beets, radish, turnips, carrots, and those are roots. And they also eat like bamboo shoots and asparagus. There are stems, spinach. They also eat kale, cabbage, and leaves. We also eat the cherries, the pears, the orange, the apples, the olives that are fruit. And we also eat artichokes, cauliflower, broccoli. Those are flowers, right? So, if you like, for example, the cinnamon, la canela, in your apple pie, you are eating the bark, the outer part of the stem of a tree. Do you know the cinnamon, la canela, is the outside part of the tree? So those are like many plants that we eat, right? I didn't know this, guys. So for this topic, we need to understand two of the vocabulary words that we're going to write in our notebooks. okay? Let me... Okay, let me show you what other parts of the plant we eat. Oh, sorry, what is grain and what is fiber? We have the vocabulary words here. So now I'm gonna show you in the screen what is grain and what is fiber. I'm going to show you a picture of each one of them. Okay, I'm gonna show you the picture of this one. These guys are grains. What food can you see here in the picture? What food can you see? You can even...
I can see. Wait a minute.
Tell me, guys. You can mute your microphone.
Bread.
Macarrones,
Pasta, very good. Macaroni.
trigo,
Please, do you know what is this?
maíz,
Maíz.
It's corn. Very good.
Bread,
pan,
corn.
trigo, maíz, espaguetes, macarrones, maíz, azúcar.
We can see, no, there is no sugar in here, but we have some
Arroz,
lentejas,
Tacos
we have
mexicanos.
rice,
Lentejas.
trigo,
Maíz.
wheat, very good, Romeo. We have many things, right? And these guys,
Mexicano.
yes, very good. So these
Tacos
are,
mexicanos.
yes, these are grains, okay? This all is made of grain. Everything that you see here. So what we're gonna do right now is that we are going to write in our notebooks the definition for grains, okay? Write it down, grains. Okay, I'm gonna put the title, uses of the plants, right? Uses of the plants. And definitions. First of all, we're going to put grains, 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 grains. Grains is with or any other cultivated cereal crop used as food. This is grain, guys. Grains is with or any other cultivated cereal crop used as food. Okay? It's so easy, right? So short. Grains is wheat or any other cultivated cereal crop used as food.
Hay que copiar lo mismo.
Yes, you need to copy, baby. Okay. Grains are wheat or any other cultivated cereal crop used as food. Very good. The ones that are already finished. Finish. Very good.
Finish, miss.
Miss, hay que hacer el dibujo.
Okay,
Sí,
let's
ya
go.
terminé.
You finished? Are we ready for the next one?
Miss, hay que hacer el dibujo.
Yes.
No, not the drawing, baby. Not the drawing. Okay.
Miss, mira que ayer vi una planta de medicinal.
Really?
Sí, está en la casa de un vecino y mire que pensé que era una manzana verde, entonces le pregunto qué era eso y es como un círculo verde, entonces me dijo que era una planta de medicinal que cura el veneno y cosas así.
Yes, plants have many different.
No me acuerdo cómo se llama, pero me dijo, pero no me acuerdo.
Yes, plants can be medicine as well. Okay, so let's go ahead with the next one. We have
No, miss, no yet.
is here on the screen, don't worry. But
Hay que dibujarlo.
no, mi amor. No, baby. So the next one is fiber, okay? The next one is fiber. So fiber, guys, is a component in the food that is used for give nutrients to our body, okay? So fiber is present in many different food, especially in the grains and fruits and vegetables, but not in all of them. And it's good for our stomach to eat it. So fiber is a filament from which a vegetable, tissue, mineral substance, or textile is formed. Okay, so in the number 2, we can see here what food can you see here, guys, in the picture?
Aguacate, frijoles,
Okay,
naranjas,
beans,
Frijoles, frijoles, maíz,
corn,
frijoles, maíz,
orange,
banana,
orange, banana,
banana,
banana.
maíz, brócoli,
lechuga,
What is this?
lechuga,
lettuce,
Lettuce,
cereza,
tomate,
tomato. What are these?
almendras,
Yes, nuts.
coconut,
plantas,
Oh, it's not coconut. Okay, what is this?
pan,
Bread. Bread. And what are these?
creo que es zanahoria, naranja,
Yes.
orange,
What is this?
chile,
Carrot. Very good. And this?
corn,
broccoli,
Broccoli. And this one?
chile,
Pepper. Pepper. Yes. And these ones?
apples,
Apple. Very good. And this yellow one here?
banana,
Banana. Yes. And this one again?
aguacate,
Avocado. Yes. Very good. All right.
tomato, miss.
Yes, we also have tomato here. Okay, so let's get, I'm gonna right now the fiber is a thread or filament which vegetables, tissue, mineral substance, or textile is formed. So as you can see here in the definition, the fiber can be used for vegetable, for mineral, for textile. So these are like the two definitions that we have for this grain, okay? The ones that finish have 2 points. 2 extra points. So I'm watching.
Finish.
Finish. Very good.
Finish, miss.
I'm gonna give you time. Don't get rushed.
Finish.
Okay. Remember, very good, Jennifer. Remember that if you have your camera on, you have 10 points. Okay? So keep your camera on so I can give you all the points.
¿Tenemos apagar la cámara?
No, on. You have to turn it on.
Bueno, tengo prendida.
Okay, very good. All right. Very good. Now, did everybody finish or not yet?
Finish, miss.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now let's watch a video about how we can use the plants, not just for food, but for many things, okay? And I think with this, we are done. I'm not sure, but yes. Okay. Wait, guys, wait. Okay, let me share the screen, sound, and let's play. Okay. Okay, don't go out of the class because I need to take attendance list, okay?
No, because my cell phone está descargado.
Okay. Connected, everyone? And I'm going to play the video now.
Plants are useful. Plants are very important in our lives. Plants give us food to eat, fresh air to breathe, wood to build houses, and many more things. In the previous chapter, we learned that plants store food in them. A lot of food we eat, like fruits and vegetables, cereals and pulses, and so many other goodies, come from these storehouses in plants. Most of the food we eat comes from different parts of a plant's body. But all the parts of every plant or tree are not edible. Animals also eat different parts of plants. Apart from fruits and vegetables, we also get different grains and pulses from plants. We eat grains and pulses in some form or the other every day. Grains and pulses have to be cooked before eating. Grains and pulses are grown as crops. Crops are usually cultivated by farmers in huge fields and plantations. All the crops don't grow throughout the year. Different crops are grown in different seasons. every season, the farmer plants and harvests new crops. Some crops like cocoa, sugarcane, coffee, and tea undergo various processes before we can use them. Sugarcane is a giant grass. The stalks contain a sweet and juicy sap. We can peel and directly suck the natural juice. It is very tasty. Sugarcane is mostly used to make sugar and jaggery. We use herbs and spices to add flavor to our food. Cardamom, pepper, hing, jeera, cinnamon, and fennel are some spices you will find in every kitchen. A spice could be a dried seed, root, bark, or fruit of plants. We also get oil from certain plants. Oil is used for cooking. Did you know that pencils are made of wood? We use wood to construct our homes. Wood usually comes from the branch or the trunk of a plant. Bigger plants, like trees, give more and stronger wood. Apart from the food and wood, we also get many products like rubber, gum, medicines, and various fibers from plants. Rubber is used for making tires, pipes, and many other things. Cotton and jute are two types of plant fibers. Neem, tulsi, turmeric, and eucalyptus are used for making medicines. Not just this, even the paper you write on and the eraser you use are the products of these plants. Plants are not just useful to us, they are useful to the animals and birds too. Have you ever thought that even the fresh air you breathe is given out by plants? That is why the air in gardens and forests is so fresh. Plants, animals, and people are dependent on each other. Woodpeckers feed on insects and grubs from trees, thereby keeping the trees healthy and free from insect attacks. Grasshoppers and crickets hide from their predators by taking cover in green and dry leaves, respectively. Hence, every plant is very important to us and the entire universe.
Very good. So did you see how many things we can do with plants? Who can tell me 5 things that we can do with plants that you saw in the video? I'm gonna allow you to mute your microphone. Okay.
Sugar.
Sugar,
Eraser.
Eraser, very good.
Medicine.
Uh-huh. Very good. Many things, right? Many. Yes, thank you, Rona. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes, thank you. I saw your message. Thank you, Ronald. So these are like a few things that we can do with plants, right? Okay, just don't disconnect because I'm going just to take a screenshot of the ones that were in class so I can give you the points. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing. I'm gonna stop sharing. Sonrisa de Colgate. Wait, sonrisa.
Hola. Entonces, ya
So,
terminé la
guys,
clase.
this is
Bye.
almost.
Mario, no te salgas.
Ok.
Yes,
Falta
don't
un
go out of
minuto.
the class because I am going to take attendance list, and if you don't appear here, I am not
Falta un
going to give
minuto.
you the point.
Falta un minuto.
No,
Faltan como 2 minutos.
we still have
Un
3
minuto.
minutes. I mean,
Solo
Sí,
deja
porque
que
3
tome la
minutos.
licencia.
Es que me quedé el niño, ¿qué película vamos a ver? No me aparece el tiempo que falta.
I know, guys, make silence. I know. You're so noisy. Okay, just let me. Okay, let me. Okay, just let me take the attendance list. Let me do it with my phone. Okay. And then I'm going to stop recording.